A few years ago, companies competed to adopt AI. Today, many companies already have it. And that changes the question. When everyone has access to the same powerful tools, the advantage may no longer come from the technology itself. It may come from how organizations are designed to use it. This shift is already beginning to appear. Consider something simple: writing an analysis inside a company. In the past, producing a detailed report might require hours of research, drafting, and editing. Now, an employee can generate a structured draft with an AI assistant in minutes. Another team can summarize documents, analyze data, and generate visualizations just as quickly. In many organizations, these tools are already integrated into everyday workflows. At first, this looks like a technological advantage. Teams move faster, tasks require less effort, output increases. But when the same tools become widely available across an entire industry, something interesting happens. The technology stops being the main differentiator. The focus shifts to how the organization itself works. This pattern has appeared before. When spreadsheets first became widely available, companies gained powerful tools for financial analysis. At the beginning, firms that adopted them early gained a clear advantage, but over time, spreadsheets became standard. Eventually, nearly every company used them. The competitive difference no longer came from having the tool. It came from how organizations used the information those tools produced. AI may follow a similar path. As AI tools become routine infrastructure, embedded in office software, customer service systems, logistics platforms, and development environments, the technology itself becomes less distinctive. Instead, organizational structure begins to matter more. How quickly can teams turn insights into decisions? How clearly are responsibilities defined? How well do different departments coordinate their work? These questions may become more important than the specific model a company uses. Imagine two companies with access to the same AI systems. Both can analyze customer data, generate marketing content, and forecast demand. But their internal structures differ. In one company, insights move slowly through multiple layers of approval. Teams produce analysis, but decisions take weeks. In the other company, decision-making authority is clearer. Teams are empowered to act on the information quickly. The technology is identical, but the outcomes are not. The difference lies in organizational design. There is a reasonable counterargument. Some observers believe technology itself will continue to provide the main advantage. After all, AI models still improve rapidly. Companies with the most advanced systems may outperform those using older ones. In certain sectors, such as advanced research or specialized engineering, that may remain true. But in many industries, the gap between widely available tools is already narrowing. Cloud providers and software platforms increasingly distribute similar capabilities to thousands of organizations at once. When powerful tools become standardized, the advantage shifts elsewhere. Another change may appear in how companies think about talent. When AI systems handle more routine tasks, the role of employees can shift. Instead of focusing mainly on producing information, teams may focus more on interpreting results and coordinating actions. Communication between departments becomes more important. Clarity about goals becomes more valuable. The organization itself becomes the system that determines whether AI insights lead to meaningful outcomes. Second-order effects may follow. If every company in an industry gains similar analytical capabilities, competitive differences may emerge in unexpected places. Some organizations may become better at integrating AI into daily decisions. Others may struggle with internal friction. Some may design workflows that allow people and systems to collaborate smoothly. Others may accumulate layers of tools without changing how decisions are made. Over time, these structural differences can compound. The technology remains similar, but the results begin to diverge. There is also a cultural dimension. Organizations that treat AI as a tool to support human judgment may develop different habits than those that treat it as an authority. In some environments, employees may question system outputs and refine them. In others, teams may simply accept automated recommendations. These subtle differences in behavior can influence how effectively AI is used. None of this suggests that technology becomes irrelevant. AI will continue to improve. New capabilities will appear. But as tools become more widely distributed, their impact may depend increasingly on the environment in which they operate. Technology provides capability. Organization determines how that capability is used. In the early stages of technological change, the main question is often who has access to the tools. In later stages, the question shifts: who can use them most effectively? As AI becomes normal at work, that shift may become clearer. The real advantage may no longer come from having AI. It may come from building organizations that know how to work with it. Because when powerful tools become common, the structure around them begins to matter more than the tools themselves.